global response towards AIDS has shown remarkable success in reducing new infections, improving access to prevention services for key population and treatment services for people living with HIV, reducing AIDS related mortality, reducing mother to child transmission, and creating an enabling environment. It has established an excellent model where multiple stakeholders have come together and worked cohesively towards a common goal. It has shown how evidence driven strategies, involvement of key infected and affected communities can make the response to any public health issue more effective and impactful. Global AIDS response has also been a fountainhead of innovative service delivery models with rich civil society involvement and cross learning. Provision of generic antiretroviral drugs from India to the world has had a critical impact in controlling the HIV epidemic. India has a unique prevention model which is centered around the concept of social contracting, through which the targeted interventions program is implemented with support from non-government organizations. The program is aimed at providing outreach, service delivery, counseling, testing, and ensuring linkages to HIV care. India's prevention model can be adopted and scaled up in many countries by tailoring the intervention as per local settings. It can also be replicated in other prevention and disease control programs. I am happy to share that during the COVID-19 pandemic, the Government of India took swift and timely action by involving communities, civil society, development partners to reach out to the last mile with a robust implementation plan for antiretroviral drugs dispensation. The government also linked key population and PLHIV to various social welfare schemes. Advisories and guidance notes were issued by NACO from time to time aligned with global guidelines. India revamped its targeted intervention program to focus on hard to reach population segments. People living in prisons or other closed settings have been considered as priority populations, and interventions have been launched and gradually scaled up since 2016. The HIV counseling and testing services, community-based screening of HIV for improving early diagnosis have been ramped up, including increasing the coverage of testing across the country to achieve the target of elimination of mother to child transmission. With the enactment of the Human Immunodeficiency Virus and Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome Prevention and Control Act 2017, a legal and enabling framework was provided to safeguard the human rights of infected and affected populations. Under the test and treat policy, approximately 50,000 PLHIV who were lost to follow-up were linked back to antiretroviral treatment services through the Mission Sampark.